Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my Walgreens couponing haul for the week of November the 8th through the 14th, 2020. This is the only store that everything actually worked out pretty good. The other stores had issues at both of them. Anyway, just a slow week, really, in my opinion. So the Crest, select Crest, make sure you're grabbing the right one. There's mouthwashes. Supposed to be toothbrushes. My store really wasn't tagged and I didn't feel like scanning products and checking the price, so you can do what you want. Hopefully your store will be tagged, but these toothpaste and a few other ones were tagged at being $3. So it's part of a buy 3 get back a $4 register reward, and then there's the 5 off of 3 digital coupon after the register reward, and the coupons, it'll make 3 of them completely free. And then the Swanson broth, they are 2 for $1. My Ibotta account had $1 off of 2, making them both free. I know this deal was around maybe 2 weeks ago. I didn't do it 2 weeks ago, so that's why I had the $1 off of 2. If you've already done that, you probably have a much less amount there on your Ibotta account. I don't even use chicken broth, but I do have a recipe for a baked potato soup that tastes like Red Lobster. It is so good. I'm pretty sure I have a video on that. So if you want a recipe idea on what to do with your chicken broth, go ahead and check that out. I'm pretty sure I have it. I will link it down below if I do. But anyway, guys, just a few things to pick up at Walgreens this week. I also did pick up my free 8x10. There is a code. I think it's fall 8x10 and you can get a free one. I don't know when that expires though. It probably expired yesterday or possibly today. So you can go ahead and check that out. But anyway, guys, that's it for Walgreens this week.